Hey Glam Fam, so today I'm going to be doing this very soft, natural bridal look. This is probably the most requested look for when I do bridal makeup. So a lot of brides ask for something soft, something that isn't too crazy out there. This is what I do most of the time when I do bridal makeup, unless someone you know, you'll switch it up with like the tones of the colors that you use, but the softness is always there, and that's especially important for most brides out there. So I'm just showing you guys this makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to like this video. It's super easy. Just click the like button. You won't even just click it and you'll never know you clicked it. Just click it. Just help me out and click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. It's the red button down there. It's free and I post new videos every single week. If you click the red subscribe button and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos. And I also have an Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, and I do most of my talking to y'all over on those platforms. So without further ado, let's get into this bridal tutorial. Since we are focusing on the eyes and lips today, my base is done, and we're going to be going in with the Nude Tude palette by The Balm, and we're going to use these 3 mid-tone shades. Going in first with the lightest one, we're going to pack this on to our lid and bringing the opacity up to as bright as we want it. Once we have that on, we're going to go in with our mid-tone, and we're going to start to lightly buff this into the crease. And I mean lightly. We want to go in with as little as product as we can as we move on. So you will always be able to pack more on. You won't necessarily be able to remove it. So just go in lightly and very, very little product. Once you have that blended out, you are then going to go in with the darker neutral. And this darker neutral is going to just go right on top of that transition shade. Again, a very light hand, and we're going to focus this in the crease and really start to blow this out. If you find that the darker color isn't blending out as easy as you would like it to, you can go back in with the mid-tone color and start to blend that darker color up and out. Once the top portion of your eye is done, we're going to take that medium neutral tone and go in underneath our eyes. We're going to really smoke this out and make sure you blend it into the skin. After that, we're going to take the shimmer white color that is in this palette and just pop this into our tear duct. And then we're going to go in with our eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink liner, and this is a waterproof liquid liner, and I really love this because it's super black and it stays put, which is very important for a wedding day. So we're going to go in and do a very, very thin line and then just wing it out just ever so slightly to give us that slightly lifted cat eye look. And then we're going to go in and do our brows. For me personally, I prefer a pomade, but a lot of brides that I have worked with have preferred just a shadow to fill in their brows. And again, this adds to the softness factor because you're not going to get a stark line with a shadow because you can always blend it out a bit. We are just going to very naturally fill in the brows and make sure that it is not too dark, but it is not too light either. And then we're going to go into the lips. This is NYX Liquid Suede. I love using these for long-lasting lip colors. If the bride really needs a little bit of moisture to their lips and not just a straight liquid lipstick, just keep in mind this will rub off on things if pressed pretty hard, and also can sometimes transfer depending on, you know, the shade that you're going with. But then we're going to go in with a highlighter, and this is by Becca, and we're just going to just kiss the most protruding parts of our face. So our cheekbones, above our brows, and our nose. And then after that, we are going to put our mascara on. Make sure you use a waterproof
version and our falsies, and then we are done with this look.
Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and share it with some of your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It's that red button down there. It's free. And if you click the red button and then the little bell notification next to it and turn your notifications on, you will never miss another one of my uploads. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!